Yes.
Oro nyingi mar breezy and Charlie mokongo kunginyiswa ntoma nyingi mani.
Okay, breezy as I was growing up nairo nyingi mar breezy nairo gawende Chris Brown sana.
Aha.
Kora I wanted my is also unique.
Yes.
Then I came up with the name Breezy and started and added Anne.
Aha.
Is actually so Anne is my mom, so it's Breezy mtoto wa Anne.
Oh, ko Breezy mtoto wa Anne.
Yes.
Sasa mbona maadhe dadito nikanyima nyingu dadiro kanekani bana. Wewe ni aje?
Dadipo kubero ga picture koro asikwepo lake alipo.
Okay, shapata. Okay, ni sawa. To kuro Breezy imiwana yesi gani matini maybe in word kanyo nywele kanye grow kanye this school namna gani kanye kwende media school.
Okay, amecha kusoma school moroni nikiria in Kano. And then from there nikakuja Tao nikasoma Panpieri. Finally I finished class 8 in St. Mark, which is in Nyalenda.
You okay?
Then joined secondary school in Ahero. Called Ongeche Secondary School.
Ongeche Secondary School.
Yes.
Mano neiga mane Breezy.
Yes.
Mano neiga mane me de Ongeche.
Yes.
De Ongeche iga mane.
2016. Yes.
Aha.
2016, after 2016 then kore mane chako kurodanje music motegno.
Okay, kuro tendeni home ni wapi jo?
Home manja Kano.
In word Kano matar to gwande timole.
Kano kubura kanyo.
Inja Kano kubura kacha. Asafi sana Breezy kani dongo dala grow mana pacho ni kichamunja kaini mana luwara mar Kisumu kaindi primary kama no nyaka secondary podi mana luwara mar Kisumu samani grow up ne na nyate machalona de Breezy.
Mango.
Ulikuwa mtoi mtukutu ama ulikuwa nasumbua sana wewe lazima?
Ati?
Ulikuwa unasumbua?
Hello?
Breezy angoma inikure no bana.
Okay, maberi ngadri mati.
No, kama inti no maraji Breezy. Anyisi ni bed kama ber bwana.
Aliku maberi koroba.
Eza. Idonga pacho dongi.
Yes.
Nikare sana. Hawa toisi wapewe maziwa Hawa toi wapewe maziwa wanyamaze.
Wamenyamaza sasa.
Now Breezy shule ni shughulika gigi machalona de ko pogo record weche magsomo.
Actually atima production.
Breezy okwa winji record. Unipati hata kidogo siji nini na kuchukua attention.
Okay, maybe the network.
Mimi nakupata kwa uzuri sana. Kwa nini donje ibugo bwana? Wane Monde Breezy ni mwarenji kwanza kule kadugi. Kachana no kamadi keto energy mara mangenyi sana.
What kind of love be this one? What kind of girl be this one? Every day, odaro na bede kode. Kolungore, dongo tekote. So baby come to my city. My baby me and you be a cure. Yeah. She dey. Kolungore, yawa kolungore, yawa kolungore.
Breezy again.
Narabando, big night alobando. Narabando, big night alobando. Narabando, big night alobando. Narabando. Jabe relax, I wanna touch up your body tonight. Say you are mine, I wanna feel you nikushike tight. Fine, fine, my girl you are fine. Fine, fine, mtoto yuko fire. Fine, fine, my girl you are fine. Fine, fine, mtoto yuko fire. So baby come to my city. My baby me and you, we are cute. So baby come to my city. My baby me and you, we are cute. Kolungore, 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 awa kolungore, 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 awa kolungore. Yeah, mami, yeah. Natina toya, aswito tieka, toki no mitnaga, aswito nyongaga.
Lungo kachali Breezy Anshel Codes anyara bando maningani cover mapato ranking bule yakora mogezwa zisonga mgodo kwa wingi record Breezy tageno ni sani kuro tunazipata. Hellos Breezy. Yes, kuro kwa dhinyi weka chane wapenjo nito Kidye school ne sami grow up school angogi ni mana idonjori gwa inye kupugorogi weche magisomo maybe tuke namna hii
I did music, not from school. Man, I football, but can I chopo point more no kai chopo kamo kanel to go football.
Yes.
Na kaloregi injury, koro from the injury, man I do football like a chakokoro venture into music sana. Kamano.
Gimora chel manitime primary kate secondary school mawi poko wilgonya kasanine nango. Something funny.
Bado ya poko wilgonya timu secondary school ni na tamu fee.
Nicha.
Na tamu fee manana go bedni achuno for the nana go bedni achuno fee koka yido bakile itina exams.
Yes.
Koran kado mi pesa ni an kede pesa rabia timu gogi ka chama tieko.
Kwani nene under pressure machalona de ama ni mabeshte.
Na don't calling any koro school ya kidi different people.
Yes.
Na yule mzee mabe ginde ni walgini pesa makaragi chamu fee na to sida unge.
Ime wacha ni nginye hizi. Walibamba sana Breezy kapo kwa dhimbele mewane to Machel modoni wa winji the first song midoni wa winji ka wase winji okacha nyara band for the intro Marareo and mani midoni wa winji
ma Ketna Hera.
Okay, then Hera ni bro nyiso anito namna gani kati nyiso mana chotha angoma ni we kum Hera ni kachana no ka Hera ni wachangu kum Hera.
Hera ngoma I composed it based on Gimati around because mostly one wadake ghetto. Some of these things you see them from the neighbors, you see them happening.
Yes.
And mostly abanga kijana. Na kuna hiyo state tena lazima tena pia si lazima tupitie.
Lazima yani inabidi ni kama huyu manzi ni kama likuchenga ama ni aje ama manana unasema hapa tokea Hera.
Nasema kitu kama hiyo lakini pia I was composing the song based on the audience.
Yes.
And mostly it is gonna happen. Gimangato nyalo relate goma easy.
Okay, sawa Breezy korwa winja ne Hera by Breezy Anshel kai seche machalo kamagi.
Bastard Production.
Number 1.
D.I. on the keys.
Nyalenda to the world. Oh no.
Breezy Anshel Police.
Nyawegi enamiyo Hera karangani tokia gala. Masheri enamiyo Hera karangani tokia gala. Iseche moko kasiko awoto apenjorani karakosango. Seche moko kasiko kaparo apenjorani karakosango. Otamure mami otamure. Onjaure baby onjaure. Otamure ngani otamure. Era give my meat to leech. Kendo meat to leech. So Samiero ngato gipachi timiete. Samiero ngato gidendi timiete. Gini litadua kiero ngato tutugo kodi. Tekini rachadua kiero ngato tutugo kodi. Gini litna mama litna. Gini rachna litna mama rachna. Nyawigi nena miyo hera karangani tokia gala. Masheri nena miyo hera karangani tokia gala. Nyawigi nena miyo hera karangani tokia gala. Masheri nena miyo hera karangani tokia gala. Litna mama litna baby litna mama litna litna mama litna. Yeah.
Oh my God, it's Breezy again.
Nyawegi nena miyo hera karangani tokia gala. Masheri nena miyo hera karangani tokia gala. Nyawegi nena miyo hera karangani tokia gala. Masheri nena miyo hera karangani tokia gala. Yatakuwa litna Zambe Litna Zide Litna